Hey folks, today we are going to make some dairy-free, egg-free whipped cream. For this recipe, you will only need 2 ingredients, aquafaba and powdered sugar. I am starting off with some cooked chickpeas. The link for the video on how to cook chickpeas will be in the description box below. Once the chickpeas have cooled, separate the chickpeas from its liquid, which is called aquafaba. After a couple of hours, stir the now coagulating aquafaba and place a teaspoon-size amount in each section of an ice cube tray and freeze. Place 12 tablespoons of aquafaba and 12 tablespoons of powdered sugar into your mixing bowl. With a standing mixer or a hand mixer, begin at the lowest setting and mix for approximately 2 minutes. Then up to speed 1 level and mix for 4 minutes. I continue to increase the level 1 at a time in 4-minute increments until I reach a whipped cream consistency with soft peaks. Now note that all these steps don't have to be repeated every time. Once you have the cubes saved in your freezer, you're golden. With the aquafaba I produced from cooking a 1-pound bag of chickpeas, I was able to freeze 6 trays of aquafaba cubes and make 2 batches of hummus. Depending on your mixer and your ability, expect to spend anywhere from 12 to 18 minutes mixing. To see how I made this strawberry banana ice cream with only 3 ingredients, strawberry, banana, and pure vanilla extract, click the link to the video in the description box below. Enjoy!